I'm dealing with that fish. Oh my god. I'm dealing with the fish. Now the rod goes. Oh my god, we're out again. What is going on, y'all? Today we're gonna be fishing salmon-a-rama. If you don't know what that is, it is the biggest tournament on Lake Michigan. There's over $150,000 of prizes. There's a shore division, boat division, kayak division, and a lot of money to be won. So yeah, no, it's a lot of fun. It's an 8-day tournament. I went out there the first day. I don't know how much I'm gonna show you guys of that, how much I'm gonna show of that, but I mean, it was slow, the water was warm, and there was only one caught at the pier I was at. But today we're heading north. We're just on the start of a lake flip, I believe. Like, it's supposed to get colder tonight, around like 1 a.m. is when the lake's gonna start to flip, but I'm just hoping for one bite. I think it's gonna be pretty slow overall, but the next day should be really good, and the couple days after that. So really looking forward to that, but can't catch them at home, so might as well get out there. I'm gonna get some food, and then I'll see you guys on the pier. Well, we are out here, and it is windy, but it is the right kind of wind. You have to feel my spoon. I should probably do that right now, actually. See what we're working with. Good little tip is to always feel your spoon. The ideal temp of water. Honestly, not that bad. That's not bad. Okay, that gives me hopes. That's really not that warm. Might get into them. But I'm gonna get these rods set up. Hope you guys can hear me, but the guy over there already got one before I even got a rod out. All we're doing is running this off a bobber about 7 feet down, and on another rod 5 feet down. What the fuck? Yeah, that rod is gone. I was sitting here tying this up, and I hear a splash, and I look back, and I don't see my light like I do with that one. Sure enough, just gone. I tried snagging the line, nothing. That sucks. Maybe I hook it tonight, throw on a kale. Oh, that sucks. That just derailed my whole mood. But who knows? Maybe I hook it and land it, and it's like a 16-pound scam. Finally hooked up. Oh yeah. That is a steelhead. Where's that net? Oh, it's over here. Man, it's been a long night. Need this fish. Need this fish. It's about 1:40 a.m. I believe. Maybe later. Oh yeah, nice deal. Nice. Oh my god, it just jumped out the net. We got him. Alright. Alright, number one. Let's get a bigger one. It's an average one. Definitely need a bigger one, but it is a start. It is a start. A little bit of an update. It has been slow. It is 4:01 a.m. and I've not gotten hit since like 2 a.m. I don't know. I haven't even got hit on the spoon. Got those two back to back, and then nothing. I don't know. Weird. Hooked up on the bottom rod. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh. Jeez. Jeez. Oh my god. What the? Fish is going crazy. Oh. Jeez. Oh my god. What? What? Oh, my net's not down here. Holy smokes. You gotta bring in my net. Come on. Come down to my net. Come on. Man, these past 30 minutes has been good. Stay on, buddy, stay on. A little bit bigger than the last one. Alright. Maybe the same size. Oh, finally on that bottom rod. Oh yeah. That was a hoot. Another nice stand. That's awesome. What a fight. That is so sick. Definitely a little smaller, but wow. You'll see that hook? Gone. Literally gone. Like, the hook is gone. And if you guys can see that. It's literally gone. That's crazy. Alright, a little smaller one, but we will take them. All we're running on this is a piece of shrimp. And then you have your main line tied to a pyramid sinker like that. And your line comes off the top like that, actually. Pretty interesting rig, but it works. It works. Yeah, that's a nice one. Hell yeah. Appreciate it, man. Thanks a lot. That is what we've been looking for. That's a stud. That is a stud. Oh yeah. What? That's a nice one. Finally got a nice one. Finally. Hell yeah. Let's go, dude. He is way bigger than the other ones. That is the fish we were looking for. That's awesome. That is awesome. Headlamp is dying, but yeah, my headlamp's toast. I'm dealing with that fish. Oh my god. I'm dealing with the fish. My other rod goes. Oh my god, we're out again. What? Both rods went. Jeez. It's madness. It's madness. What? Oh my goodness. Another big one. Trying to put the other fish on the stringer. And I hear a fish jumping. Messing with this one, I look up and I was like, is that mine? And then I was like, what? Wow, this. What a bite.
I'll keep it. I'm gonna eat it. I got a big one over there.
Alright, man.
What are you doing?
Just shrimp, dude. I really wasn't getting them earlier. It just kind of turned on for me. That headlamp's dead. You got your headlamp? Mine's dead now. It's way down there.
Damn, somebody's lost my voice, bro.
No, you're good.
Yeah, all right.
Here's. I just can't. My headlamp's dead. There we go. No. Come on.
Yeah, you got a fat one.
There we go.
Yeah, I got a skinny one earlier.
Now let's try and put this guy in. That's just insane. I look up and I hear a fish jump and the rod's going. That is insane. It has been slow. It is 4:01 a.m. Oh, he's there. Oh my goodness, I just put this out. No, I'm fine. Thanks though. Just put this out. Oh my goodness. Oh, that ain't good. He is definitely in my other line, but the bite's on fire. Oh my god. I just put this out. Oh my gosh. What? This one's big too. Okay. Lock in. Well, that's my limit fish. Another nice one. I mean, that's just insane. I want to keep fishing, but fuck. Well, 10-8. Not bad. Completely forgot I had that, but 10-8. It is a king, isn't it? Or,
Looks like a king.
yeah, it is a king. Oh. Fuck. Come on. Oh, come on. There we go. Wow. Hell yeah, man.
Yeah. That's up there would be nice.
Yeah.
ก็ประมาณก็จะได้ไปนะก็ก่อนหมด
Got him. That's the first king I've seen all morning. All night, too. I got only steelhead.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Sorry. Wow, of course. That's crazy. Now I can't even fish. Well, beautiful sunrise. I'm sure those sunrise bites can be pretty good, but that is it for me. If you guys made it this far, thank you for watching. Drop a like, subscribe if you guys enjoyed and want to see more. See you guys next time.